Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Welcome back to the freaking vlog.
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
So today, well, actually tonight, what I will be doing is going to be installing my harness. I got it back from Wiring Specialties with the right plugs on it, the injector plugs. So I'm going to go ahead and get that installed now. As you can see, it's there behind me, kind of sitting on the draping over the fender of the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get that installed now, and then we're going to try for a first start tonight. Fingers crossed. So with that said, let's get to the installing this. First step is what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to feed the wires inside to where the ECU sits, and also just the plug that goes in there as well for the dash and stuff like that. Yeah, the dash plug. And also in this bag here is my hoses, all my coolant hoses for the swap. So with that said, let's get to it. First is to feed the wires into the cabin of the car. I'm going to go ahead and get the inside of the car done off camera, and because that's a tedious process, and then I'll film me just hooking up the harness to the engine. So with that said, let me go ahead and get the first part done. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the wiring harness and everything kind of buttoned up off camera because it's getting really dark, and I don't want to have too poor lighting just filming me putting the harness on. So I went ahead and it's all kind of just loosely put on. Nothing's like clean or zip tied it, down or the way I want it as of right now. But this is my first attempt to try and start this engine, so let's get to it. Yo, what's up guys? It is the next day. As you saw in the previous clip, I was trying to get the 240 started. For some reason my fuel pump wasn't wanting to turn on. And the only reason it kind of sputtered at the beginning was because there was still fuel in the lines from when I had pressurized the system before I had the wiring harness in. So I'm guessing it was my relay. I swapped out the relay and now it's wanting to prime again. So I guess here goes attempt number 2 to start this. First I got to put the spark plug in spark plug number 1, and then we'll try to start it again. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here goes attempt number 2. So let's see if she starts. Well, it started for a second. Let's try that again. Alright, hold on. I'm going to adjust the idle air and unplug the math since it's not actually looped yet, so it's probably reading wrong what it's actually getting. Okay, let's try this again. It's alive! It's alive! So as you can hear, it is running, it is on. I'm not gonna let it run for very too long because I don't have any coolant or anything like that in the radiator, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. But it runs, it idles, it runs, freaking awesome. Alright guys, so as you saw, the RB Regina's heart runs. It freaking runs, which is freaking awesome. There's always a hiccup before. There's always something before you get the cookie. So this is me getting the cookie, and the problem that before I had to fix before I can get my cookie was fix my fuel pump problem, which happened to be a bad relay. So freaking awesome. She runs. So yeah. So exciting, so exciting. Anyways, with that said, guys, I think that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode today. I'm gonna go and get cleaned up and enjoy my one-day weekend. So woohoo! Until next time, guys, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because it does go a long ways. Until next time, peace out and never look back.